Hi everyone, thank you so much for enduring a fun year of classes with us, and we're gonna have such an amazing year next year, even better, I promise. So please have a happy holiday and we will see you back in January.
Hello, our dear students, dear Salsa with Silvia team, and our appreciated and valued students. Happy holiday, happy Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. I'm really thankful and I'm really grateful for you because you make this beautiful team and you create this beautiful atmosphere and the energy at our beautiful Salsa with Silvia studio. I want to thank you everyone for joining all our classes, for being a part of this amazing community, and for growing, for enjoying, for having fun. And we would love to see you next year, and we would be happy to have fun with you together. Happy holidays!